My name is Carol Van Hook Weaver. I'm with Akara Living and have been in the industry going on 15 years. I've helped open 14 construction lease-ups, managed a portfolio of over 60,000 beds, and worked in over 30 markets ranging from the East to West Coast. Using video has been instrumental to my teams. It's also helped lower maintenance tickets, less FAQs and interruptions to the leasing team as well. Let's dive in. Everybody knows maintenance, leasing, and retention go hand in hand, from first impressions to move-in to renewals. Since I use video a lot in sales and leasing, it only made sense to include maintenance to see how we can reduce their entry into apartments and give them more time back for faster make-readies and preventative maintenance. Let's be honest, we all know that renters don't like us inside their apartments. According to our dashboard, in the last 12 months, we had 3,048 work orders across 1,000 beds. Let's see how this time actually adds up. On average, a work order takes 15 minutes. That's 762 hours, or almost 32 days of work. I pulled our top work order categories from the past 12 months, which consisted of appliances, GFI issues, HVAC, breaker boxes, and general maintenance. After sitting with my facilities director, we discovered that this was a startling 35% of service requests. By using video, this will empower residents to complete simple work orders safely inside their apartments. And over time, we calculated that this will save close to 1,100 work orders, 272 hours, or 11 days of work. I provided some examples below for inspiration.
So to check to see which appliance isn't working, all you have to do is check your breaker box. You have your panel here that shows you each one, and you know if it's not working if it's facing the opposite direction. For example, I know the lights are off if it's switched to the left, but to turn it back on, I just switch them to the right. See? No work orders needed. You may think that this is the secret door in your apartment, but what it really is, it's your air filter. Bam! And I'm gonna show you how to replace it. So in case if you need help replacing your air filter, you can always put in a work order or you can get the leasing team to assist you. But it's super easy. All you have to do is you take it out just like this. See? And when you get a new one, you just prop it right back in. Ta-da! So simple and convenient.
Now that you've seen how we save times for the maintenance teams using video, we're also streamlining the leasing process by embedding unit-level and amenity video tours onto our websites and ILSs. This reduces the need for in-person tours. Let's look at some analytics from embedding video onto our ILSs and onto our sitemaps. From one property, there was 1,462 views out of just 56 videos, and the duration time that you can see was on average of 53 seconds to watch. This is a property in Phoenix. Out of 56 videos, around 1,000 of those were in-unit video tours, right from our ingrained videos on our sitemap that is also embedded onto our ILSs. On average, we see that both properties have less than a minute average watch time. So this tells us that that data is still true, that the watch times and the videos should be less than a minute and most times less than 30 seconds.